membership inquiry.
Hi, are you joining the gym?
I want to ask first.
Sure. What do you want?
How much is monthly fee?
It is $30 per month.
Does it include all machines?
Yes, all machines and classes.
Oh, that sounds good.
We also have trainers here.
Trainers cost extra money?
Yes, personal trainer is extra.
Okay, maybe later I try.
First, you can explore the gym.
Yes, I am beginner now.
That is perfectly fine here.
Good. I feel more comfortable.
Do you want to sign up?
Yes, I will join.
Great. Fill this form, please.
Okay, I start today.
Asking about Wi-Fi.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, I need Wi-Fi password.
Sure, it is written here.
Oh, I cannot see clearly.
I will tell you slowly.
Okay, I am ready now.
It is coffee 1, 2, 3, all small letters.
Coffee, 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes, that is correct.
Let me try. 1 second.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay, it is connecting now.
Good. You are online now.
Yes, it works. Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all for now.
Enjoy your time here.
Yes, I will relax now.
Wi-Fi is fast today.
That is very important.
At the bus stop.
Hi, are you waiting bus?
Yes, bus number 10.
It comes every 15 minutes.
Oh, I waited 10 minutes.
Then it will come soon.
Okay, that is good news.
Where are you going today?
To the shopping mall.
This bus goes there directly.
Oh, no need to change bus?
Yes, very easy route.
Ticket. I buy inside bus?
Yes, or use card here.
I use card. That is easy.
Good, less trouble that way.
I hope I do it right.
Driver will help you.
Okay, I feel better now.
Bus is coming. Look there.
Yes, I see it now.
Borrowing a phone charger.
Do you need something?
Yes, phone battery low.
Do you need a charger?
Yes, if you have one.
I have extra charger here.
Oh, that is very helpful.
What phone do you use?
I use Android phone.
This charger will work for you.
Thank you. I plug it now.
Sit here. It is comfortable.
Okay, I stay for some time.
How long you need charging?
Maybe 20 minutes only?
That is fine. No problem.
Thank you. You are very kind.
We all need help sometimes.
Yes, that is true.
Battery life is always short.
Yes, always at wrong time.
Returning a wrong online order.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I got wrong item in my box.
Oh no, what did you order?
Blue shoes, size 9, men's.
And what arrived in the box?
Pink shoes, size 6, women's.
That's quite a mix-up.
Yes, very different shoes.
Do you have your order number?
Yes, on my phone. 1 moment.
Take your time, no rush.
Here, number is 774-B.
Perfect. I can see your order here.
Can I get the right shoes today?
We'll ship the correct ones tomorrow.
Not today. I need them soon.
Fastest is next day delivery, free of charge.
Free?
Because of the mistake?
Exactly. Our mistake, our cost.
Oh, that is very fair.
And keep the pink ones too.
Really? I keep wrong shoes also?
Company policy. Too costly to return.
My sister will love them.
Problem solved then.
Lost phone at a cafe.
Hey, you look worried. Everything okay?
I cannot find my phone. I think
Did you lose it here in the cafe?
maybe I sat near the window.
When were you sitting there?
About 1 hour ago. Maybe 2.
Let me check our lost and found.
Lost and found? What is that?
A box where we keep forgotten things.
Okay, I hope it is there.
What does your phone look like?
Black, small. It has a crack here.
A cracked screen on the corner?
Yes, exactly that one.
I actually noticed it earlier today.
Really? Where is it?
Behind the counter. Someone handed it in.
Oh, thank you. That person is so kind.
Can you unlock it to confirm it's yours?
Yes. My password is... Wait,
Take your time.
I forget my own password. So embarrassing.
Happens to everyone, honestly.
Got it. Yes, this is mine. Thank you.
Glad it worked out, Mia.